This is group 1, and our project is facial recognition banking system. Purpose of this project is to create an online banking system where we can just use our face to be able to unlock and access our own information inside the bank. Before we jump into the code, let me first describe what face detection and face recognition is. Face detection is locating and identifying faces within an image or video frame and determining the presence and position of those faces. A few techniques we can use are HARDS cascades or convolutional neural networks. This allows us to see when a person is on video frame and can track their face if the face is presented in a front face view. Now, with facial recognition, it helps us identify who a person is rather than just telling us when someone is on camera. We are able to detect through machine learning and deep learning methods. We're able to tell who a person is once they enter the camera frame. And this is very important when it comes to surveillance, control, access control, and for our case here, identification verification or user authentication. And this is very powerful and useful, and later on, I'm going to describe how it works. In the beginning part of our code, we have a facial recognition load file where we have 3 separate files for each person inside the banking system. It will pull that image from the file and do facial detection and train machine learning inside the system to be able to detect who is in front of the camera once it's turned on. Once the camera's turned on, a blue box will be displayed over the person with their name above the box. Once it detects who is in front of it, a password prompt will pop up and you'll have to enter in your own custom password. There is no limit on the password. You can do whatever you want and it can be as long as you want it to be. There is no limit on it. As I just said, it's unique and custom. For me, I did Red Wings. So whenever my name is approached or pop up, my password is Red Wings. And if I enter that password correctly, a PDF file of my information will pop up. If I enter it incorrectly, this prompt will pop up. Incorrect password, access denied. And then I'll have to wait 15 seconds until a new password prompt appears. So let's run the code. And I will demonstrate what it looks like when I enter the correct password versus me entering the incorrect password. So as you can see here, the face detection window popped up, and I have the blue box and my name above it. Now the password prompt just appeared. If I enter the incorrect password, I get incorrect password access denied prompt underneath it. And now I have to wait until the new password prompt approaches. Okay. New prompt is here. Let me enter it. And as you can see, my personal information appeared. My name, address, account number, join date, password, personal savings information, personal checkings information. Everything I want to look at when I open up my banking system.